Hello everyone, welcome to Yamaguchi Japan Speaking Tube Radio. I'm your host, Dr. Issa. This is episode 45, 045. Today, I went out in rain. There it was, and it is very heavy rain outside. The sound of rain, pitch pat sound, is very comfortable. And it's 20 kilometer. I rode bicycle. Of course I wore rain suit, and so it is very good. Today's rain is very good. And there are distances. My destination is just 12 kilometers from my apartment, and so it is go there and return to home 22 kilometers. It is very good distance because I had to 21 almost 2 hours, 1.5 hours or something. So it is I can enjoy plenty of time. For 1.5 hours I have enjoyed the rain. Very good rain. The temperature is not so low. It's very uncomfortable. 25 degrees Celsius or something. There is no worry about the catch cold. So, and of course, but it's a little bit trouble to. After that, I have to dry the rain clothes. Rain suits and cap. I always wear cap in the rain. So, but of course, even I don't worry about that. No worry about if the weather is fine. If weather is fine. I always wear hat, but rain. I always in rain wear a cap and hat is very different. For me, cap is for me is for rain. I don't like food because it is very extremely dangerous because I can the sight of degree is very narrow if I wear food, so it's a little bit difficult to check the right side and left side. I can not feel something move before on the left side or right side. That I don't like to wear food, although my rain suits have food, but I never use that. I just wear hat. Or wear cap. So after that, I dry anything. There's that big trouble with shoes. I wear sneaker. I don't like wear the rain boots. Anyway, in the first place, I don't have rain boots. So I always wear sneakers. And so after that, after I have to dry them. It's a little bit. It take a long time to dry. So before dried, the sneaker I have to wear a more formal shoes. So I will wear the very formal dress shoes tomorrow. But anyway, it was very good rain, and now I have been listening to the comfortable sound. Do you like rain? I like, but sometimes I don't like. Sometimes because especially in the winter rain is very severe. It's very severe. It's kind of a training to bear the cold situation. Oh my goodness! And the battery is already empty. I have to close this episode now. Thank you for listening to Speaking Tube Radio. Have a nice day. Bye.